Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tom yum noodles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a good quality tom yum paste, your favorite noodles, and a protein such as shrimp or chicken. Don't forget the fresh aromatics like lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves, which are crucial for that distinctive tom yum flavor. We'll also use fresh mushrooms and juicy cherry tomatoes to complete our delicious dish. Now, let's create the heart of our tom yum noodles, the broth. Begin by bringing about 4 cups of water or chicken stock to a gentle boil. Stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of tom yum paste along with your prepared lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Let this simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning with a splash of fish sauce and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for perfect balance. Next, we'll cook our noodles and protein. Prepare your noodles separately, following the package instructions to ensure they are perfectly al dente. While the noodles cook, add your protein, such as raw shrimp or thinly sliced chicken, directly into the simmering tom yum broth. Shrimp will cook quickly, usually in about 2 to 3 minutes, turning pink and opaque. Chicken slices will need a bit longer, ensuring they are fully cooked through and tender. Finally, it's time to assemble and enjoy your delicious tom yum noodles. Divide the perfectly cooked noodles among your serving bowls. Carefully ladle the hot, aromatic tom yum broth, complete with your protein and vegetables, over the noodles. For a fresh finish, garnish generously with chopped cilantro and thinly sliced spring onions. Serve your homemade tom yum noodles immediately and savor every flavorful bite of this classic Thai dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.